1 week pumpkin, Kia kaddu, I think, I don't know exactly, it's kaddu, and green chili, garlic, mustard seed, cinnamon stick, red chili, bay leaf, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, cumin seed, paprika powder, coriander powder, desiccated coconut powder, tamarind sauce, mustard oil and asafoetida, hing, turmeric, chaat masala, brown sugar, salt. Everything is ready. Now we're gonna do tempering. 2 tablespoons mustard oil is ready. Now I'm going to add fenugreek seed, cumin seed, mustard seed, fennel seed, and all the dry herbs. Then some asafoetida, hing, and after 1 minute I'm going to add garlic, green chili, add turmeric, salt, half, coriander, paprika. After 1 minute I'm going to add kaddu, salt, adding some water. That's it. Cooking after 3 minutes on medium heat. I'm gonna give it a good stir and let it simmer for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Super. I'm going to add desiccated coconut, brown sugar, chaat masala, tamarind sauce, perfect. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat, let it sit for 5 minutes, then it's gonna be ready for serve. Leftover chana masala and some leftover dal, and of course yogurt, butter, lachhedar paratha, onion, green chili.